Unlock deeper market insights and make smarter trading moves by seamlessly integrating the powerful charting of TradingView with your Vantage platform. First, let's get you set up. Navigate to TradingView.com and familiarize yourself with its intuitive interface. This is where the magic of market analysis happens. To begin, find the search bar at the top. Type the symbol for the asset you're interested in. This could be a stock, forex pair, or cryptocurrency. Once you select it, click on Charts to open its dedicated trading chart. TradingView excels with its comprehensive charting tools. Explore the vast library of indicators. By clicking the Indicators button, you can add moving averages, MACD, RSI, and hundreds more with just a few clicks to spot trends and potential price action. Beyond indicators, TradingView offers powerful drawing tools. Use trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and support resistance levels to visually map out market patterns and predict future price movements. These visual aids are crucial for informed decisions. Now, bridging this analysis to action while TradingView provides your insights, your Vantage platform is where you'll execute trades. Think of TradingView as your advanced scouting report, and Vantage as your command center for deploying your strategy. By observing trends and patterns on TradingView, you can identify optimal entry and exit points. Then, simply switch to your Vantage platform to place your buy or sell orders, leveraging your newfound analysis for potentially better outcomes. This synergy allows you to combine TradingView's unparalleled analytical power with Vantage's efficient execution capabilities, giving you a significant edge in today's fast-paced markets. Mastering this integration will elevate your trading journey. Start exploring today and empower your market decisions.